Good morning. I am Alka Bhivandkar and today we are going to learn Paschimottanasana. The significance of the name of asana is Paschima refers to the posterior part of our body. Uttana means stretching and asana is posture. Hence it is called as back stretching pose or seated forward bend. This is a cultural asana in sitting posture. Friends, you all will agree that stress is an integral part of our life. Worries of past, anxieties of future. Why this global pandemic had to occur, why we were confined to our home when we look back. And now on the threshold of 2021, we are worried, when will the COVID shield vaccine come? How will be to 2021 post-vaccine and so on. So friends, yoga is very helpful in relieving stress and lifestyle management. And Paschimottanasana is one such asana which is very simple and yet effective in relieving stress because it gives us a thorough stretch right from the heels to the spinal column and provides relaxation. Remember, stretching is relaxing. Now, contraindications are very few. People with heart ailments, spondylosis, sciatica, abdominal pain, pregnancy, menstruation should avoid this posture. Now we will start the practice. So sit in Dandasana Sthiti, spine erect, legs stretched in front of you, feet together, toes, heels, ankles and knees touching each other. See that the toes are flexed towards yourself. Hands by the side of your body, palms facing down. Relax whole body. Now inhale. Take the chin slightly up. Place the palms on the thighs. Now as you exhale, slowly bend forward from the hips, lengthening the spine and sliding the palms towards the feet. Ideally, try to catch the big toes with the thumb and the index finger. Bend the hands at the elbows and try to rest them on the floor. Slowly try touching the forehead on the knees to the extent possible. Slowly relax the abdomen. With every exhalation, try to go down more and more. Ensure that the legs are straight in the knees. In the final position, do normal breathing, 5 to 6 counts. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly inhaling, raise your head up. Come back to the sitting position, sliding the hands back onto your thighs. Exhale slowly and relax in Shithil Dandasana pose. Legs are stretched apart, hands behind, trunk is inclined backwards and head resting back. For those who find it difficult to perform this asana, the preparatory practice for this asana is Janu Shirasana or Ardha Paschimottanasana. And the complementary poses which will give us a good anterior stretch is Purvottanasana or Supta Vajrasana. Now what apparently looks like a very simple asana has many fold benefits. It reduces the abdominal fat, it increases the peristalsis of the bowel and it helps in removing constipation. Now as we saw, it gives a very good stretch right from the heels to the hamstring muscles, to the back muscles and the entire spine. So it increases the flexibility of spine and the hip joints. It stimulates circulation to the nerves and muscles of the spine. It cures the enlargement of spleen, liver. It is helpful in curing piles and diabetes too. Our back muscles become flexible and it energizes the whole body. And there is a spiritual benefit also in this asana. The Anahat Nath can be heard in Paschimottanasana by an expert sadhaka. So Hatayog Pradipika has stated that iti Paschimatanam asana agryam, that is Paschimottanasana is the foremost or best among asanas. Pavanam Paschim Vahinam Karoti, that is it directs the prana along the back through the Sushumna Nadi. Udayam Jatara Nalasya, it kindles gastric fire. Kuryat Udare Karsham, it reduces the belly fat. Arogatam cha punsam, it bestows health on the aspirants as one gets free from diseases. Now the other text Ghiran Samhita also echoes the same benefits and says that Paschimottanasana helps in toning up the nerves to the pelvic organ and those arising from lumbosacral region. So after knowing all these benefits to combat stress, let us add this practice of Paschimottanasana in our daily yoga routine. Thank you all.